will see the next part of a frame component, that is how to design a program to implement the frame mechanism. In the last video, we had seen about the different frame mechanisms like how to create its constructors, how to set its size, how to make it visible true, and lots of such things will be explained in had been explained in last some videos. Now it's a time to actually create the demo, means how to actually use the frame we will see now. For that purpose, we all know that frame is nothing but a component of the AWT. So we will take a package of it like import java.awt.star, means it is the compulsory package required to start any AWT related Java program. So carefully see this mechanism, like import is a standard keyword, then having the space java.awt.star are the consecutive places, not any space there, and dot is between them, and star is displaying us the all the packages in that AWT. You can exclude this star also. Now we will create one class, that is the public class, for example demo. Now it's a time to actually use the frame, means this class is creating the program, so you have to extend your frame component with this class mechanism. So extends is a keyword you have to use with this class, and then you have to use the frame component. So this is the standard mechanism how to use the frame component. Now we will start with our program, that is, as we all had seen about, there is a any constructors with this frame. So continuing with this, we will start with our logic. For giving our frame a name, we can use the different mechanisms, like we will take here one string. Now carefully listen here, Java having the string, in string having the letter S capital. So we will get a string 1 title, then we will create one constructor of this demo, that is the public. You can use or cannot use, it may depends on the situation for the public. Then we will write the constructor, that is the class name and constructor having the same name without any return type. Then we will pass this title to this, that is the string title, means your title will be displayed on such a mechanism. Then we have to set the size of the frame, that is we will use the set size method. But there is another mechanism, that is the super method used to give this title, that is the super in bracket title. Okay, your title will be given to the screen. Then you have to use the set size method, and you have to fix some parameters to this, like width and height. Then compulsorily use the set visible method. Okay, then you have to set it true. Now there is one mechanism available with this frame, that is you can set the background. So means suppose it is a white color background, but you will want it to be a green, red, black, yellow, blue, whatever you want, it will be done with the help of a set background method. So set background method having the S small and background having the B capital. BACKGROUND. Background means use such like this, and in bracket use the color having the C capital dot the name whichever you want. The name of the color will be in small letters. So color dot red I am giving and give the semicolon. Means for any frame designing purpose, this is the main method or main mechanism to be compulsorily written in the constructor part. So here we had created size visible method. How we used this in our program means which mechanism supported us to use this set visible set size methods, that is the frame mechanism. We had extended the frame, so set size and set visible method automatically comes with it, and we had used the background method. Now we will here complete the demo constructor part. Now as this is a frame demo, we will not in detail explain the buttons, text fields or labels in it, but we will give some message on the screen. For that purpose, we will use the paint method, that is the by which we can create the some label. That is, we can create like public void paint. It is not any standard method, but we are creating for our own purpose, and we will pass the graphics type G to here. As we all knows that capital G and RAPCHICS, this graphics is a standard class used to display the different graphical features. Okay, which are they? We will see in next videos. Now we will see how to use this to make any changes on the screen. First of all, by this graphics method, we will take one font, that is the font type F. Okay, font is a standard ready-made method belongs to this graphics. Now we will give the font name like new font. Okay, in bracket we will apply the font name. Suppose we will take the Calibri font. So we will write its name in double quote. We will complete the double quote, display the comma for the another parameters. In this, we can take many parameters, like we had specified the font name, then we can get the font like font dot bold or italic and so on. So we will take here the font dot bold. Okay. Then we will specify here the font size and complete this class. Means font is a ready-made class available with these parameters like font name, font type and font size. Now here we can also set the background for this font, means for this graphics purpose. Means here it is the background. We can set the foreground, means the front end mechanism will be displayed by this front method. So like the background, it is having the set foreground method, that is the set foreground. In bracket simply give the color, that is the color dot orange for example. Okay, you can take by your own. Now we had taken the font, set the foreground, means the text color will be displayed on this and background color will be displayed on red. Means how this window will appear before you, in front of you, that is 300 by 200 size screen will be displayed. Then it is having the red color in background and the label will having the orange color for it. Now how to draw this label on the screen in terms of a graphics mechanism? So we will get the uh, draw method, means draw string method. but it is a graphical section and we had created graphics type G as a object. Then with the help of it we can draw it like G dot. Draw string is a standard method of it. Draw string having a S capital. In bracket you can give the message like hello. Okay. Then you can give the its width and height also. So for example we will set it 100. Okay, means hello number, means this hello message will be displayed with width 100, height 100. Now we will close this paint method. This is the only demo for which I had taken the graphics method, but you can actually design here the frame with the lot of components of the another GUI, that is the buttons, labels and so on. Up till we had only created the constructor and the message which will be displayed on the screen. But now it's a time to create our actual main class, the main method, that is the public static void main. Okay, we all know that how to write this method, that is the public static void main in bracket string args, or you can use the shortcut also. Then in bracket, as we had only created the this constructor of this main class and given the title to it, and after that it automatically creates this graphic on this screen. Now there is no need to call this paint method separately, so only call this constructor of this main class, that is the how to call it. Simply use new keyword, after that write the class name, that is the demo, and apply the title whichever we had written here. Apply this title in this bracket, means for example demo program. Okay, then complete the brackets, complete the main method and complete the actual class. So how will it appear? It appear like some frame of size 300 by 200 will appear, and at this frame method how it will appear, as it is a frame, it is having the three buttons, means three options, three compartments is here. It is for minimization, it is for maximization and cross for cutting. Now at this part your label will be displayed like demo program. Okay, and now you are here, this all screen acquire the red part and your orange, means here we had set the foreground orange. I don't have any pen about of the orange color, but assume it will be displayed on the orange, in the orange color like hello. Okay, so this will be the output of your this program. So it is all about how to create a frame, its methods and how to use it to create any user interface. Thank you so much.